Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your card in 2025. With updates to PayPal's interface, this process is faster and more secure than ever, perfect for managing your finances on the go. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid or just splitting bills with friends, let's get you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the app or website. If you haven't already, download the latest PayPal app for a smoother experience. It's optimized for 2025 with enhanced security features like biometric login. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, usually found at the top of the homepage. This is where all your money magic happens. Next, look for the Transfer Money option. It might be under a new tab called Withdraw in the 2025 update, so keep an eye out for that. Select Transfer to Bank or Card, and then choose your linked card from the list. Pro tip: make sure your card is already added to your PayPal account to skip any extra steps. If not, you can add it quickly right there. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal will show you any potential fees up front, which are often minimal, like a small percentage for instant transfers. Double-check everything for accuracy, then hit Confirm. You'll get a notification once the transfer is initiated, and it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to hit your card, depending on your bank. One more thing. Always keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies, as 2025 brings more global options. If you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is top-notch with 24/7 chat support. There you have it. That's how you effortlessly move money from PayPal to your card in 2025. It's quick, safe, and hassle-free. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.